The F4U Corsair was the North American fighter plane which had the most units produced. At the start of 1943, it began its participation in the war in the Pacific, in combat operations against the Japanese Imperial Fleet and aviation. With a wingspan of nearly 13 meters, it was equipped with a 2,000 horsepower engine, and its construction was very similar to that of the German Stuka. It was the last American fighter plane with a piston engine. Its characteristic inverted wing of the Seagull type reduced its air resistance and allowed it to incorporate a small undercarriage, which retracted directly underneath the cockpit, saving space and enabling the number of planes to be transported on aircraft carriers to be doubled. However, due to problems with landing, it had to carry out most of its missions from land bases. It was known by the Japanese as Whistling Death, due to the sound it produced when it dived at a speed of 250 knots. It became the plane to shoot down the most enemy aircraft in the Pacific.